Hey there, it's Justin. Do you ever think that the image of a DJ is often this? Scratching on the ones and twos, fist pumping in the air, a massive festival crowd of adoring fans, throwing up hand hearts. But what people don't tell you, DJing is a lot of this. And the thing is, I don't actually mind this part of the job. The physical aspect of it does kind of suck, but loading up my van is the very first step in pre-event prep that gets me in the right frame of mind for my upcoming gig. And since I enjoy seeing how other DJs prep for their events and organize their gear, I thought, why not do one of these videos myself? So here we go. Come on a little event prep with me. Enjoy. Wow, okay, that's super fancy. All right, so that's the first thing. That's why I wanted to do a very cliche transition, but it's really just to talk about gloves. Anytime I'm doing load in, load out, or prepping here in my garage, I'm always wearing gloves. I think it's so important, not only just to protect your hands in general, but obviously as DJs, we've got to protect our hands. This is what we use to DJ events, and nicks and cuts and a speaker jamming on your thumb is just not fun, and just always want to recommend that. So I often start this process by emptying out my van of my storage crates. These crates have cables and other accessories. When I'm just doing kind of smaller events, I like to grab these crates, these milk crates, kind of old school with it, because sometimes, you know, the cables that I need are they're right in here. Like, there's no need to like lug out my huge rolling case. So I'm going to fill each one of these milk crates with the appropriate cables that are needed for each space. So we have an empty milk crate. For this, I need probably just a couple XLR cables. Yeah, here's two XLRs. Put this down here. Just a little table scrim that I'm not going to be using. This is a black table scrim, and I'm going to be using this white one. So here's that. I have a better idea. I'm going to put the crates on the floor. I'm going to put the loose cables up here and just kind of throw in the stuff as I need it. Furman power strip. I'm going to put that with the reception. I know this venue really well. I know I'm not going to need more than 25 feet, but just in case, I'm going to put a 50 and a 25. All right, white scrim goes in the reception box. This is a bag of just some random shorty XLRs, wired mic, wireless microphone antennas, my gaff tape. Cool, I think we're pretty much set as far as the cabling is concerned. So let's go ahead and load these guys up. There's one. There's two. For this wedding, my ceremony system consisted of a Bose L1 compact and my custom-built audio mixer and wireless microphone rig. So, just want to make sure that the microphone is in there. I saw the case over there, but the microphone wasn't in there, and I thought, well, I hope it's in the drawer, and it is. So. I can just kind of bring that up to right here and drop this guy down. After loading up the ceremony system, it was time to charge my lights. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out and put them in the charging case just to charge them up. I used to have the American DJ Dots T-Par for lighting, and I actually still have it, it's back there. But one of the things, I mean, obviously it needs power, gotta run DMX cable to it. I kind of thought, you know, why not use my Ape Lights? So I've kind of hacked a little way to use Ape Lights as dance floor lighting, as a T-bar. I can rearrange this later, but you saw the lights go there, and I usually just put this is the Bose compact extension parts. I'll just put that there. These are my wireless microphones. They're kind of important. I need them. There's a few things that are already in here. This one's an interesting one. This is what I used to stand on. This is my anti-fatigue mat. Just kind of throw it over here. My table is already in here. As I mentioned, the speakers, my cart, everything else is pretty much in here. All right, so the lights are done charging. They're back in the case. I'll seal this thing up. Again, without the gloves, I couldn't hit those latches like that. Okay, there we go. That's pretty much it, except for a few little miscellaneous things. Pretty small gig, so that's why I figured it'd be an easy one to show you. I think that'll do it. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe. Show me the subscribe love, and we'll keep bringing you interesting content like this. At least I find it interesting, I don't know. But anyway, until next time, I'm DJ Justin Kanoya, and I'll see you next time online.